Good morning, everyone. Let us understand how to attempt exam through this new software, My Classboard. So I'll be attempting this exam. First of all, once to start your exam, you have to refresh the page. This is what you have to do initially before, because if you will not refresh your page, your exam will not start. You will not be able to see the button of start. So if you know that your exam is going to start at 12 p.m. or whatever the time, you have to refresh your page at that time, right? After that, you can see the question papers, you can view all the questions, you can write all the answers in the notebook wherever you wanted to write. Now I'll be uploading it from computer also, and I'll click the pictures from my phone also, and then I'll share it here in my laptop, and then I'll upload it. Okay, so let's upload something which I have already saved in my computer. So I'll browse. Let's say this is one of the file which I wanted to upload. It is already in PDF. But what if I have something in the form of images? Let's say, okay. So these are the three images which I wanted to convert it into PDF first, and then I wanted to upload. So how to convert it into PDF? These three images are the answers. Let's check it first. Okay, these three files are the answers, and I wanted to convert it into PDF, and then I'll upload it. How to convert it into PDF now? You can use I Love PDF online site. This using from this site you can do almost everything. You can compress a PDF, you can reduce the size of the image, you can convert an image to a PDF, you can convert a PDF to image, PDF to text, Word to PDF, everything you can do. So open this site. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to convert images to PDF, right? So PDF to JPG to PDF. I'll choose this option. Select all images in one go. So these are my images, 1, 2, 3. Open. If you wanted to change the sequence of the images, like let's say this is my first image, I wanted to bring it to second position, and this is my third image. This is the answer of question number 1. Let's say this is question number 2, and this is question number 3. Now we have arranged all the three images. Convert to PDF. Download the PDF. Now first check the size of the PDF. It should be less than 10 MB. It is 178 KB only. So let's upload it. If the size is more than 1 MB or sorry 10 MB, you can compress the PDF also. Compress PDF, select your file and reduce the size, right? Right now it is not required, so I can directly upload this PDF file. Click on browse, choose the file. I think this is the file. Open it, upload. So file is uploaded. Let's check this file. You can click here to check this file. Hmm, it is not opening. What if I'll click here? Hmm, it's not opening. Okay, I'll make it correct. So once you will upload your files, you can also check it. Okay, now now I'm going to connect myself from the from mobile phone. Right now, let's say I wanted to upload something which is saved in either in my mobile phone or the same pictures. I'm going to click again because I will convert those files into PDF from the mobile this time, so that mobile users will also get an idea how to attempt the paper. So this is my, let's say, first file, then second page, third page. Okay, so all 3 pages done. Let's convert it. I love PDF. Open the site. Now we have to convert from images to PDF, JPG to PDF. Select JPG. Select all the files which you wanted to convert. So let's say I have selected all 5 files. Now convert to PDF. Download PDF. You can give a name to the file like computer exam, or you can give your name. Download. The file is downloaded and it is in the form of PDF now. Let's share it. You can directly upload it if you are attempting your exam from your phone, then you can directly upload it from your phone. Otherwise, you can share it with yourself. And then upload it from here. So let's download the file first. File is downloaded. Now let's upload this file. This is the file. Maximum 20 files are allowed. So we have already uploaded 2 files. Let's try to open it again. Okay, it is not working. Okay, you can upload multiple images also. You can upload it as a PDF also, but I will suggest you, I will recommend to compile all your images into a single file as a PDF, like I have shown you how to convert it into a single PDF and then upload it, because it will be easier for you also to track how many images or how many files you have uploaded, and it will be easier for the teacher also to check, right? So make a single file for all the pages which you are going to upload. Make a single PDF using the site which I have already shown you how to use that site, and then you can upload it. Otherwise, the other option is you can also upload the images, but in that case, you have to select only one image at a time. Like for example, you are going to upload these three images. And if you will select all three images and you will click on open and upload, it will upload only a single image. Only single image will get uploaded. No, right now all three images are uploaded, but sometimes it may upload only single file. So you need to select all the files one by one. अभी तो right now it has all the files are directly uploaded in one go. So you can, I think, do it in this way also. So these are the files which you are going to upload. I think we are not able to view these files from the laptop right now, but the students who have already attempted the exam from the mobile phone, they were saying that they were able to see these files also. They can open these files and they can view whatever they have uploaded. I will request the software person to make this correction in the for the laptop or computer users also, so that before clicking on the final submit button they can also check what they have uploaded, right? Now if you know that you have done your exam, you have uploaded all your files and all are correct, you can click on the submit button. Exam submitted successfully. Okay, it's done. Why again it is coming start exam? All files will appear one by one. Submit. Exam submitted successfully, but still it is showing start exam. Okay, I will get this problem resolved very soon. You have to attempt the exam only once, not again and again like this. I hope it is clear to everyone now how to attempt the exam.